Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're back in my bedroom. I'm actually going to be doing today a trunk club unboxing with you guys. I know I haven't featured trunk club on my channel and probably in a while, but I decided to come back to it. I have some really cool stuff in here, some things that work, some things that didn't work, and I'll kind of explain throughout the video as I'm trying on the reasons why it didn't work. But if you'd like to see what I got in this one's trunk club, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so before we get started, if my head gets cut off by the camera, I'm so sorry. I have it as far as I can, and the higher tripod I have, I cannot find where the little stand things to click it in. So anyways, you guys don't have to deal with today's video. But anyways, here's the first outfit. If you guys can tell, we got some Bisco Girl vibes going on here. I got the little scrunchie, got some biker shorts. These are actually workout pants. I don't have like, I guess I thought biker shorts were like a little bit shorter, but we're just gonna pretend these are like biker shorts. But we got some shorts and this super duper cute tie-dye sweater. I'll kind of give you guys a little close-up, but this is really cute. I think this is a for sure keep that I'm gonna keep in my box that I'm getting, but it's so soft. Like, it's one of like the softest sweaters that I have in my collection. This is something I don't have in my collection, so definitely like probably a good keeper. I will keep out of this box. There might be a couple things I might be keeping, but you guys will let me know if I should get them or not. But let's go ahead and go to outfit number 2. I have like some jeans. I think there's like a pair of jeans that don't fit, but you guys, we'll go into it. Okay, so here's outfit number 2. We have this really cute Madewell top. I really like it. It's giving me kind of like mom vibes. Like, I guess the way like the turtleneck up here has, and it's kind of like up and it kind of goes up to the neck, but I think it's a really cute top. It's a little fitted around the arms right here, which it doesn't bother me too much. As long as like I can kind of like breathe and like move my arms, it should be fine. But I do like this little cardigan little thing. It has like, you guys can see, it has like a little slit right here, so it's really fun and airy. So this piece will be really great if you walk your kids in the morning and you kind of like, sometimes it's just a smidge a little cool and you don't want to put like a full coat on and you're just like, okay, like that's just too much. But this is really cute. I really love the color. It's like that really pretty like foresty green color. I think it looks really cute. Just like very like mom outfit, like I'm the president of the PTO. But it's really cute. I really do like this top. I love this color. Like, it's like almost like matches my nails, but it has like little like floral details. Like, so this top is from Madewell, and then this cardigan is from LEITH. Like I said, everything will be listed in the description box. So if you guys, if I'm going too fast or you're like, wait, what brand did she say? I will have it on the screen and I will have it listed down in the description box. So let's go to outfit number 3. Okay, so here is the next top. I love this color. Like, it is such a beautiful color. It's almost just like really like soft purple, but just like kind of sexy purple. I don't know how to explain it, but this is really cute. This top is from Free People. It's that really like nice like over slouch top. I am wearing this in a size, I believe size large. I think it might be just a tad smidge oversized. I think I might go with the medium, or I might keep it in the large, because once I put in the washer and dry up, it may shrink a little. But it's so nice, it's so cozy, and I just want to like cuddle up and drink some Starbucks and just, you know, all that good stuff. But this top is really cute. What do you guys think? I do like Free People's tops, but they're just so expensive. Like, they're just, I feel like they're overpriced, but then like the quality sometimes is like not even worth, like, I'm getting this like tiny like basic top and it's like $100. So when you're going into the transition of doing trunk club, just remember that you are in control of setting your own prices and whatever you decide to spend and stuff like that. So I just kind of wanted to just get some cool stuff, but this is definitely on a maybe list, and maybe also the Madewell top. Okay, so I just have one more top, and then I have a couple of accessories I want to get to, and then just some items that didn't fit, and I'll kind of explain why. So let's get to it. Okay, so here is a top that is probably gonna be a no unless I get this in a bigger size. These type of material, it's so thin. I know like once I put it in the washer, it's just gonna shrink. Plus it's just, I feel like it's just really not my style. But it's a cute top, but it's just not my particular top that I would like want to spend money on. But I believe this is a Treasure and Bond top. But can you give you guys a little close up? But I love it. And the one part that I do love about this top is the sleeve. It's kind of like ruffled up here and a little ruffle up there, but you guys can kind of see the back. But it kind of reminds me of like Victorian, like all the way up, because I have to like, I opened it just a little bit because it was just, I felt like it was like choking me, like even though like I wear chokers, but I just felt like it was just like choking me, and I was just like, and like the style that it looked on me, it just didn't look that great, so I just kind of like opened it up. So I feel like if it was more of like a little bit like a slight, not a deep V, but like a slight V, I think this would look even better. But I do like the ruffles on the top of the sleeves, but it's just a little bit too tight right here in the tummy area. But overall, I think it's a really cute top. I think that if you're kind of looking for like a top that's just a little bit business but isn't too business, this is like perfect, because you could definitely put this like under like a blazer and some really nice slacks and stuff like that. So this is definitely a contender for people who like these type of tops. Like I said, it's still very nice, still like it. And then there's this really cute bag. This is a Topshop bag with this outfit. This is like a very like summery bag. I don't think you're going to be able to fit too much in here. I have my phone right here, so that's pretty much all you're gonna fit, is maybe like your phone and like your wallet and maybe like a lipstick or a lip gloss. But this is like a little some. But this is a really cute little outfit, like a really basic, like, you know, you're going to Target or you're gonna get Starbucks, I'm gonna go hang out with the girls and, you know, drink some mimosas. It's like, like I said, this is a really cute outfit. I think for me personally, it's just something, like I said, something I'm gonna gravitate to. But this bag is really cute. I don't have anything like this in my collection. I love like little balls and like texture, but I'm gonna give you guys a close up. But it's really cute. But like I said, I have my phone in here, so super duper cute. Next item we have is another accessory. These are Rebecca Minkoff glasses. I already know I'm not keeping these because I kind of have a pair that are similar like this, but I'll go ahead and wear them and kind of give you guys what they look like. Make sure I don't look crazy. But like I said, these were just glasses that were just, I don't know, like, they're just, I think they're cute. Like I said, I have a style that are very like, similar to these. They're the Celine's or something like that. They're like this type of style. So I already have a pair of glasses like these, but these are, they're very cute. But like I said, I already have a pair of sunglasses that are like these, and I don't need another pair in my collection. I've been really trying to minimize the items in my collection that, alright, like I already have like 10 pairs of sunglasses that look all very the same, and I don't need like another one. But this is very cute. I think it's a very fun style, and it's, you know, it's different. So if you like Rebecca Minkoff and you like sunglasses, definitely check them out. And plus they come in a super cute little case holders, like silver, very cute. I love that. And then the next item, which hopefully my hair doesn't mess up with it, which I actually got a hat because of the price of this one. So this is just like one of those, like, here, I'm gonna have to like take my hair out. But this is like one of those, like, you know, Instagram, I won't say Instagram models, but my Instagram influencers that wear the little cute little hats and stuff like that. So whenever you check out, they'll give you kind of like added accessory if you want to add to your, like your cart, to add to your box. And this is one of them, and I really do like this hat. The only thing that I was just like, Tim was just like $50 for a hat. So we actually ended up getting another hat from Target that was like half the price. I'll like insert a picture for you guys on the screen. But so cute, very similar to this, but it's like half the price. So I was like, yes, I'm always looking for a deal. So that's what this hat looks like, and I love it. It has like the little like leather here and has like the little buckle thing here. So like, it's a really cute hat. I think if you just want to splurge a little and you particularly like this hat, then go for it. But it's really cute. I like told him, I was like, oh my gosh, like I have to get this, and he was just like calling me a nerd because like, why do you want a hat? And and I'm just like, because everybody's wearing a hat, and I just like really think it's cute because it kind of like elevates your outfit. Like if you're, especially if you're taking a picture, it just like elevates it. You want something that's gonna elevate you. So really thought this hat was really cute. But let's go ahead and fix my hair real quick. Okay, and then the next item that I'm not sure if I want to keep these, just because I feel like I have a weird feeling like fall's gonna come really soon, and I'm not gonna be able to wear these, but most of the time I wear flip-flops all the time during like winter time. So anyways, these shoes are so freaking cute and they're so comfy. I have a pair of Michael Kors shoes that are kind of similar to this. I've had them for like probably 3 or 4 years and they look brand new. So that's my only thing where buying designer shoes or buying things are just a little bit, the price is just like, you know, say $50 to maybe $100 more. I feel like depending on the brand, it's worth it, because like I said, I had my Kors shoes and I think I got them like on sale. I think I paid like $40 or $50, and they're like, I think like over $100 pair of sandals, and they've lasted me. And like I think I have like a tiny little scuff at the top, but you can barely see it. But I might keep these shoes. I don't know, I think they're so freaking cute. These are some Coach shoes. I love the little detail that it has right here around the shoe. It has like this like beaded detailed, so freaking cute. And like I said, these shoes are so comfortable. I love a type of shoe like this because you can just like easily just throw it on with any outfit. Like even this outfit that I'm wearing right now would look really cute with this, even if I want to wear the hat, or if you want to wear the sandals with a little bag. This is like so cute. It's like so effortless where you just like don't even have to think about it. So that's why I like these type of shoes, and plus they last you for a while. So if I do end up getting these, they're gonna last me for like a good like 3 or 4 years. I've been debating, I kind of want to get the Tory Burch sandals. Those are really nice, and I've heard that they are comfortable and they last a long time. So especially with my shoes like this, I like to splurge just a little bit more, because I know that if I get a particular brand that I know that it's definitely gonna, my money's gonna go long, and I'm, you know, not gonna have to buy a pair of sandals like every single year, and I could just like use that money and save, or just, you know, just get the pair of sandals that I really like, and it's gonna last me a long time. The next pair of shoes, and then we'll go into the items that didn't work out. And I'm kind of sad they didn't work out, but we'll talk about that in a minute. It's this Vince Camuto. I'm probably pronouncing it right, but this brand right here, Vince Camuto. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm so sorry. I'm probably not keeping these. I already have a pair of shoes that look just like these, but I just kind of want to check them out. They're really nice. Very perfect little booty for the fall. I love this little detail right here. It's like a cutout. You could wear some like cute funky socks and kind of can see through it. Some of the items that didn't work out and that they're just gonna have to be returned. I actually have a pair of these pants already. These are 1822 denim, which actually the pants that I'm wearing right now are actually, I bought them from Return Club. They're 1822 denim, and I could definitely make these work, but I just feel like the ankle is just, I like it because it has like that the raw edge, or the raw hem. I love that, but I don't know, like I don't know how to explain it. Like it fits, but then it doesn't fit, and it's just like I know these pants stretch out, so if I do end up keeping them, because these jeans are very inexpensive. I think they're like $40 jeans, which are very comparable to like Old Navy, but I think they're like better than Old Navy. They're just like a little bit step higher, but about the same price. But that's the one thing about these jeans, was that they fit, but then they didn't fit, and I was just like, I didn't feel comfortable in them, and I was just like, oh. I was like really wanting them to work out, because I've been trying to find, y'all let me know, I've been trying to find a pair of pants that have like the like raw hem, or like the like little fuzzies that are coming off. A really good high-waisted jeans that aren't like super duper crazy expensive, like maybe like $50 to $100. But these are like, didn't work out, which is fine. I have a whole bunch of 1822 denim, so this was probably like my last for a while, because like I said, just wanted something that was different, and plus these are black, and who doesn't love black jeans? I used to have like a ton of black jeans when I used to work at Alex Nani, but the one pair item that I wanted to work out so bad, and I think the reason why these didn't work out is because I had a pair of Madewell jeans that I got in my last trunk, and I was gonna film it, but a lot of the things were just not working out, and I was just like, I'm not gonna film it. So these are the 10-inch high-rise skinny jeans, and these are in size 31. I think the reason why these aren't fitting correctly is because they don't have a lot of stretch in them. Like, it was just not going over my butt. Like, my butt was just like it was weird because the other pair of jeans I wore were the 31s. It's just the ones with the buttons. This one's a zipper, which I like because the zipper is like really tall, so you really know it's gonna be high-waisted. But it was the one with the 5-button jeans or whatever, and they fit, but they were just in white, and they were just a smidge pulling, and I was like, I probably need a 32, but I could already tell they were kind of pulling between like your like stomach meets like your thigh, if you guys know what I'm talking about, like where you get like that pulling, and it just like, if I go down a size, they're not gonna fit. They're gonna fit there, but they're not gonna button. But if I go up a size, they're gonna button, but they're gonna be bunched up. That's what we're gonna look at, bunched up, like in the thigh area, the high thigh area. So that was my only thing. So I was like, maybe, I told myself, I was like, can I try like a pair of jeans? So I'm gonna tell her like whatever like the most stretchiest that I can get in this type of material, because I definitely want a pair of Madewell jeans because the other jeans felt so good, and I was just like, oh, like I want them to work. Like I just want one pair of Madewell jeans to be like, oh, it feels so comfortable. Everybody talks about them on Instagram and when they have their trunk clubs and stuff like that. I love Madewell's basic tees. Like I have, you know, the Madewell top. I have several Madewell tops and I love them, but I just like want a pair of jeans. Like that's what I want. So I think for my next trunk, I'm gonna try to ask to get a pair of Madewell jeans that maybe just like a tiny bit more stretch, and hopefully I can find one, because I know there's the Madewell jeans that are out there it's gonna work out for me. But it's okay, it happens. But like I said, this is a really fun way to just try on some fun clothes, try on some styles that you particularly wouldn't try out, and you can all do it in your four walls of your home, and you don't have to go to the department store. So if any of you guys are interested in doing trunk club, I will leave my link down in the description box so you guys can check it out, and also my styles can help you out. But let me know in the comments down below, which outfits should I keep? Some of the items that I said no's on, should I keep? Some of the items I said yeses, should I just put it back in the box? Let me know, let's talk about it. But that is gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe before you leave, and also give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye guys.